Hello students, very good morning to all of you. This is my lecture number 6 of Unit 8, and Unit 8 is D and F block elements, but in this video I will discuss only F block elements. This is for class 12 chemistry. So dear student, F block element, you know that F block element is also called inner transition elements. Transition within transition is called inner transition element. Now inner transition elements, the elements in which the additional electron enters in n-2 f orbitals are called inner transition elements or F block elements. In other way, you can also define F block elements. Those elements which last electron goes into F orbitals are called F block elements. So electronic configuration. So general electronic configuration of lanthanides may be given as 4f, 1 to 14, 5s2, 5p6, 5d 0 to 1 and 6s2. So this is general electronic configuration for F block element. F block elements are also called lanthanide series and 4f series because last electron of F block element goes into 4f series, means 4f. So after lanthanum, from atomic number 58 to 71 is lanthanides. First element of this series is cerium, whose atomic number is 58, then praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium and lutetium. And this is the atomic number of these elements, and this is the symbol of these element: cerium, Fe, praseodymium, Pr, neodymium, Nd, promethium, Pm, samarium, Sm, europium, Eu, gadolinium, Gd, terbium, Tb, dysprosium, Dy, holmium, Ho, erbium, Er, thulium, Tm, ytterbium, Yb and lutetium, Lu. And this is the electronic configuration for these elements. So electronic configuration of F block element for 12th is very, very important for examination point of view. And this is the +3 ions of 4f series, means lanthanides. Now it is to be noted that filling of 4f orbitals in the atoms is not regular. As you already see, filling of 4f orbital is in the atoms is not regular. A 5d electron appears in gadolinium, which atomic number is 64, with an outer electronic configuration of 4f7, 5d1 and 6s2. And note are at about the same potential, are not 4f8, 6s2. This is because the 4f and 5d electrons are at about the same potential energy, and that the atoms have a tendency to retain a stable or half-filled configuration. Now, on the other hand, the filling of f orbitals is regular in tripositive ions. So, dear students, on other hand, the filling of f orbitals is regular in tripositive ions. After losing outer electrons, the f orbitals shrink in size and become more stable, and in lanthanides, PM means promethium is the only synthetic radioactive lanthanide. Only synthetic radioactive lanthanide. No oxidation states for lanthanides. Cerium, its oxidation state is +3 and +4, means cerium exists in +3 and +4 oxidation state. Pr +3 and +4, Nd +3, Pm +3. So we see in this way, in this oxidation state, +3 is common in all the lanthanides. +3 in Cr, Ce, Pr, Nd, and all these lanthanide series, +3 oxidation state is common in all. So we can say +3 oxidation state is common in lanthanides. But oxidation state of actinides is +4 for TH, +4 and +5 for Pa, +3 to +6 for U, and this way oxidation state of all the actinide series in this way. So here in actinides we cannot say that +3 oxidation state is common for all. So oxidation states in brackets means oxidation state which are indicated here are unstable, states. The lanthanides contain 2s electrons in the outermost shell. They are therefore expected to exhibit a characteristics oxidation state of +2, but for the lanthanides the +3 oxidation is common. The correspondence of the use of two outermost electron 6s2 along with one inner electron. The inner electron used is a 5d electron. In lanthanide, La, Gd and Lu or one of the 4f electron if no 5d electrons presents. So this is the properties of lanthanides series. More about this I will discuss in next video.